Hello friends, today we have another unboxing. It is the Lime Life by Alcone Amazebox. So, are you ready to get started? Because I want to know what's in this box this month. Here we go. Okay. Big sticker. Your June Amazebox. Here we go. Let's see what it says. Oh my gosh, we got a mask. That's what this is right here. Ooh, we got some lip color and a little bit of One Drop Wonder. That's awesome. This is a good box. So here's the mask. On the inside it says, "You are beautiful inside and out." And on the outside it has lips. That's really cute. Let's look at the lip color. I want to see what it is. Enduring lip color. This one is Wedding Cake. Ooh, I don't have this one. Very cool. This is the color. It's called Wedding Cake. That's a nice one. I'll put that right with my stash of lip glosses. And then the One Drop Wonder. It's a full size. And this is what it looks like. It is Pomifera oil. It's a universal oil for all skin types. And that is it for the June Amazebox. Thank you for joining me. I had to put this on. It's a little below. My mouth is right here. But it's still really cute. It's comfortable. It suctions to your face when you breathe in, but it's thin. It's only one layer. So, but it's cute. I might keep it in my truck for those days when I forget my real mask. All right, you guys. Take care. Be blessed. Stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one.